Today we are going to explore some elements of Pichwai, and that one element is. So for this particular border design, I have taken the element of lotus and lotus stem. The tool that I am using is known as calligraphy nibs, which are available in various sizes easily in the market as well as online. Now, using this particular nib, I am going to outline each and everything clearly, precisely in this border. The most important thing that we need to note over here is you don't need to hurry while making your drawings. It should be slow and in one flow. And now let me share an interesting fact about the borders of Pichwai. So the borders hold quite importance in Pichwai art style. The border depicts the theme, the elements from Pichwai itself. The elements majorly consists of the things which resonates with the artwork and with our Lord Srinathji, of course. So, why flowers majorly in the borders is generally in our religion, Hindu, we devote flowers to our Lord, right? So, these flowers also form that devotion in the borders or like an offering of flower garland to our Lord. That is why there are majorly flowers in our borders. Now we have come to the part of adding colors. And see, this nib, I am going to use it again for not just outlining, but for adding colors or strokes using different colors. I'm just going to dip the nib in my paint and I'll continue adding lines and strokes. For the lotus, the strokes I am going to paint in darker pink as the flower will be in the light pink shade. Now let's come to the part of filling the lotus flower with a lighter pink shade. For this, I am going to use the watercolor, very much diluted. That means the water part is too high in comparison to the pigment or to the color. Keep the color very less, like 10%, and rest water, and start filling the flowers, the petals. For the lotus stem, I am going to use darker green and light green. And for the lines, I am going to use a mustard yellow. As these are very earthy tones, I am going to use the combination of this. Once doing the base coat, just keep one thing in mind. Use brush smoothly and in one direction. If you want to make it more darker, you can do it in layer. Don't make it dark in one go. Dark as in the color ratio to the water. Keep it less only. If you want to darken it, just add another layer. Now for the background, I am going to use a yellow shade, a lime yellow shade. Here also you can see in the background how diluted my colors are. The water is almost 80 to 90% and the rest is colors. This also gives us the freedom, to add more layers or textures or depth in our artworks. This is how we are going to paint till the end.